It is Friday the 24th of October 2025. We haven't been out for a month with just various things and stuff. I'm not going to go into that. But we are now driving up the A38. We've got 102 miles to go and we're on the way to Chew Valley Lake, and we are hoping to stay at Herriotts Bridge, where... would that have been the last video before? We did that area last time we were out anyway. Yeah, so that's where we're heading, and we are due to meet up with Helen and Karl from Roaming and Raymond and Wolfie, and also Martin as well from Martin's Roadtrip Adventures. So they're already there. So I hope they are still there by the time we get there, unless they've been eaten by wolves. That would be well bad, wouldn't it? Yeah. So yeah, that's that. So 101 miles to go now. No. So look at, sorry, I've got my phone and the sat nav. My phone isn't going to the exact right place, so sorry, it is not 100 miles now. It is 97, and it's going to take us an hour and 45 minutes, so we should get there by 7:30. Haha. Right. So yeah, see you when we get there. Bye.
Bye.
Also, Leon's done something to the van. Good thing, not an accident or anything. So here we used to have what would you call it? Like a little clipboard.
Like an iPad or a sat nav or something.
And it used to flip up with a little clip at the top, and it was rubbish. So you bought this little thing now, didn't you? Where was that? eBay. 35 quid. So you had to take the whole of the radio out, didn't you? Is that right?
Yeah.
To get that in. So it's like a little dish thing, tray and a pen holder. Well done, you. Anyway, it's raining. Look at it. Absolutely disgusting. It's been like this all week, really, on and off, isn't it? And I don't think the weekend weather's all that great either. So there you go.
The very next day.
Good morning. It is Saturday the 25th of October 2025. So we arrived at Chew Valley Lake, Herriotts Bridge last night in the dark, and across there we're on the end here, the closest. Then you got, where are we? Then you got the next motorhome is Raymond, so Karl's in that one, and then Martin is in the grey van, and then Helen is in the nook right at the back. So all four of us stayed here last night, had a little gathering in Raymond. Oops, hang on. Had a little gathering in Raymond last night, and then went in and went to bed. So we were here 4 weeks ago. Yeah, not a bad stopover last night. Not too noisy. It's quite cold though, isn't it? Yeah. It's only October, so it's going to get worse.
And it is 4 degrees colder than average temperature for this time of year.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Right.
Okay.
Not sure what we're doing today. So there we go. See you later. Bye. Okay, so me, Leon and Martin are going for a little walk. Karl and Helen have just taken Wolfie for a walk, so they're going to stay in the van for a little bit. So I'm not quite sure where we're going. We're going this way anyway. Right, so we've walked, I'm just about to see our vans in there actually. Walked all the way along the road and come through a little metal kissing gate. And mushroom there. Well, seen all the mushrooms. We've got to walk in a straight line this way now. It's a bit windy. So we've got to turn around because on that gate it says private. Okay, I think we're going this way. So we did go up there. Right, we're going this way, I think, which takes us out onto the B road eventually where, what was it called? Oh, Kissing Gate. What was it? The other park up. Herons Bridge or whatever it was called. So, ooh, oh my God. Mind the monkey. Mind the monkey! Okay. No. Cow shit. Farewell. Look, lots of little apples. Is it crab apples? I don't know. Oh, quite like this. So Chew Valley Lake is, not that you can see, but there's a stretch of water in there. Oh, is it a field? Okay, we're out into a field now, a nice sunny field. So my phony map basically says straight ahead. So I'm assuming there's another stile or something. Not a stile, what am I on about? Kissing Gate. There is a gap in the hedge here in front. Okay, so there is the gate to the B114. Hello! They're coming over. Hello, girls. I think it's girls. Yeah, it must be girls. Let's have a look. Can I see? I don't know, actually. Come on, then. Don't eat me. Oh God. Although that one looks like a bull. Oh my God. They're gonna... Come on then. Okay. Come on then. No? Is that as far as you're going to come? Ah, you're the brave one. You're the one who started walking earlier, didn't you? Come on then. Come on. Oh God. Oh God, help. Okay, why did I do this? Come on then. Oh, a little kissy kissy. Is that it? Is that as far as you're going to come? You've got grass stains above your eye. That's it, is it? Oh God, oh God. Why? Just why? Why am I doing that? Come on then. Unbelievable. Come on. Oh, little baby one, look. What should I sing? Ba ba black sheep, have you any wool? No sir, 'cause we are cows. No, that didn't go down well. Nah. Okay, well I'm not going to stand here all day waiting for you to come over. You came charging over. I say charging, oh God. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Okay, I'm just going to touch your nose and that's it. Nope. Okay. Hello. Touched you. Nope. Oh God, blimey. Curly hair. Hello. Yeah. See? Okay. Let's go. Okay, so now you've come over, I'm going to go now. All right? Nice to see you. You have a nice day. House. Right, we are walking this way, which takes us up to Herons Green Bridge, where we parked up. Whoa! Parked up for the day and night the other week. Right, Herons Bridge. Herons Green Bridge. There we go. Where we were the other week. So when we were here last time, and it is still here now, can you remember there was like a, where my finger is, like a path, and there was a bridge there? Come to find out, that is Roman. Apparently, obviously the bridge has been repaired a little bit, hasn't it? But blimey, that pond's emptied out, isn't it? That was water. Oh, it is water. Is it water? Yeah, that is water. Forget that. But there's lots of little sailing boats right out in the distance there. Okay, so Herons Green Bay is over there, and this is like a little pond. It's very windy. I have no idea if you can hear me. Little pondy bit over here where they take the water and send it over there. Ice cream van's not there. Keeps sort of trying to rain but then doesn't. But the wind is bitter. It's bitter. It is bitter. Okay, so we're on the way back now. I think we're going back the same way, so I won't film anything unless there's anything that is interesting that happens. I hope we don't get eaten by wolves. What? Ah!
I see it walking this way. You come in.